Thank you, PNA. A strategic move is underway to strengthen one of Romblon's most prized industries. The Department of Science and Technology Mimaropa, in partnership with the University of the Philippines, Diliman, is finalizing a 10-year roadmap that aims to elevate Romblon's marble industry to global standards. Paul Hyacinth Foss of Philippine Information Agency Mimaropa has the details.
Stakeholders gathered in Ujungan, Romblon recently to review the draft of the Romblon Marble Industry Roadmap. The plan, which has been in development since last year, outlines a clear direction for the growth and sustainability of the local marble sector. The session was led by DOST Secretary Renato Solidum Jr., a native of Romblon, who emphasized the cultural and economic significances of the marble industry in the province. A key feature of the roadmap is the proposed creation of the Marble Industry Strategy Council, which will manage and oversee the development efforts within the sector. The strategic plan also includes expanding market reach from local distribution to national and international markets, enhancing marble designs to cater modern taste, and improving product quality through skills training for workers. Several micro, small, and medium enterprises or MSMEs involved in marble processing attended the session. Many expressed their gratitude for the technical support provided by the DOST and the UP Diliman, which has already helped upgrade their tools and techniques. Once finalized, the roadmap will be turned over to the local and provincial government units, where it will serve as a guide in crafting supportive policies and implementing development programs. Through the Romblon Marble Industry Roadmap, DOST and UP Diliman and other local stakeholders hope to transform the province into a globally competitive marble powerhouse in the next decade. From the Philippine Information Agency Mimaropa, Paul J. Foss, Balitang Pambansa.